In Tashkent's Bazar Square, dawn pours bright light over steam and chatter as copper pots hiss softly. Nilufar the Samsa baker explains these pastries carried Silk Road travelers and wove countless families into shared memory. Nearby, a plove master recalls saffron rice, carrot threads, and lamb that echo caravans in timeless hospitality. A young vendor drums a fiery, chili paste on grilled eggplant, turning heat into a pocket of communal memory. History and flame fuse here into a vibrant feast, celebrating resilience, community, and the comforting taste of home.